In this video, I started dynamics of rigid body lessons. Angular momentum first heading. The angular momentum of a particle about a fixed point is defined as the moment of its linear momentum about that point. It is measured by the vector product at linear momentum. P equal to linear momentum, m means mass, v means velocity of the particle, and its vector distance r from the fixed point on inertial body. Angular momentum equal to J, angular momentum J equal to r cross p, r equal to radius, p equal to linear momentum, p equal to mv, mass into velocity, r cross mv. Then is around the bracket angular momentum of a particle. Angular momentum of a particle. Let a circle whose radius are r and center O and perpendicular linear momentum p equal to mv and mass. Rotation of angular velocity omega. Let a particle of mass m describe a circle of radius r with a uniform velocity magnitude omega and linear velocity v equal to r omega. The magnitude of the angular momentum mvr, चूँकि v equal to r omega, so mr square omega. Direction perpendicular to plane is circle. In a general case also, the magnitude of the angular momentum of a particle is given by J equal to r mv, mr square omega, omega equal to d theta upon dt, angular velocity. So mr square theta cap. Let us first equation. Angular momentum of a rigid body. So let an x and y a rod. The sum of the moment of linear momentum of all particle a rotating right body about the axis of rotation. Consider a m1, m2, m3 of the rigid body lying at distance r1, r2, r3 from the axis of rotation xy. The magnitude of the linear velocity v1, v2, v3 respectively. फिगर है 6.2 का. If omega is angular velocity, then linear velocity at the particle m1 v1, v1 equal to r1 omega. Hence the magnitude of the moment of linear momentum and angular momentum of the particle m1 about the axis of rotation m1 v1 r1, m1 r1 square omega. तो यहाँ पर डिस्कस किया गया है एक्स वाई जेड थ्री परपेंडिकुलर लाइन and r is perpendicular y x and y space p linear momentum acting force f. Similarly, the moment of linear momentum of angular momentum of the particle m1 r1 square omega, m2 r1 square omega plus infinity तक. So I equal to mr square omega. So I equal to summation mr square. So I omega, where I equal to summation mr square moment of inertia velocity vertically j equal to I omega. The unit of momentum is kilometer per second or joule per second torque. If a force F x on a particle at point P कोई F फोर्स है जो P पर एक्ट कर रहा, बल लगा रहा हो इन पोजीशन विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू ओरिजिन O पर। ऑफ द इनर्शियल फ्रेम इज गिवन बाय द डिस्प्लेसमेंट वेक्टर r। टॉर्क ऑन द पार्टिकल विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू टो इक्वल टू r क्रॉस F। टॉर्क इज ए वेक्टर क्वांटिटी, इज डायरेक्शन इज नॉर्मल टू प्लेन formed by the r and F, and the sense is given by the right hand rule. The unit of torque is Newton per Newton meter. Torque as the time rate change of angular momentum, space change of angular momentum. So torque is definition: the angular momentum J equal to r cross F, differentiating with respect to time, we get dj upon dt upon r cross F. So dr dt equal to p r cross dp upon dt. So dr upon dt equal to p v me v cross v equal to 0. So it's 0. Okay. So dp upon dt time rate of change of linear momentum. So dj upon dt equal to r cross F, but r cross F is torque acting on the particle. Torque equal to dj upon dt, torque equal to r cross F. Thank you. This video is ended. So I discuss again next topic. Thank you.